Hey, welcome to the vlog. I haven't done this kind of a video ever, like in the field, behind the scenes landscape photography, forests in this case, and it is 6:45 in the morning and it is officially golden hour right now. I just referred to photo pills, and yeah, I'm headed out into the forest to shoot sunrise. Also, I just messed everything up. I wanted to stand below these lights and I just walked forwards for some reason. But yeah, I've shot this forests like 2 times in the past and I know a few locations that might be good for sunrise. Also, there is a little fog rolling around, so that should be good. And yeah, let's go. So I just realized that the last clip that you saw wasn't in focus because I had my lens on manual focus. Great job, man, great job. Now you know why, if the last clip is not in focus. But I need to start moving quickly. It's getting bright out here so fast, so I need to get to the place ASAP. So this tree right here is the first location that I wanted to photograph. I had come to this tree back in December 2019. I had photographed the same tree right here, but this time there is some kind of a bush, this bush right here. I don't know if it's natural or it is man-made, like if a person has done it, but that just ruins the image. I don't know, it doesn't look good at all. So I'll keep searching for new spots to photograph this morning. So I just found a composition. It is not the greatest, it is, but I'm gonna shoot it no matter what. The sun's about to just come up. I'll explain in a bit. Wait. So I just set up my camera on my tripod right now and the composition is exactly just behind me. So the composition is this tree right here. You can't see it properly. I'll have to zoom in on that, but it's a great tree and the sun is just coming up from behind the tree and it is exactly like in the center of the tree. So that's what caught my attention and I'll zoom in on the camera and show you guys now. So that is the tree that caught my attention and the sun is just peeking from above right here, and that's what I'm gonna photograph. Now I'm a little bit concerned about the grass in the foreground, but it shouldn't be much of a matter. I'll just move around just a bit so that the grass isn't too long, like here it is right now, and I'll show you the photograph right now. Can you see me? I just unlocked another leg of the tripod, so it got a lot above than my height, so I hope you can see me. Wait, I'll just make sure. Yeah, okay, I am visible. So that is the composition that I'm shooting right now. The sun has just come up and I have to get this shot real quick because if the sun gets above it would just ruin the shot. So I just switched over to my phone to show you what the screen on my camera looks like. So the camera settings are at f8 because I want the tree to be perfect sharp in this. 30-second shutter and just 100 ISO. So I'm just tapping on the screen to focus and I have a 10-second timer going on, and I don't know if you can see, but there are these rays coming in which look really good right now, and this is just one of the images that I've seen. I have a couple of different trees that I've seen that I wanted to shoot this morning. One of them being that tree. That tree looks really good. And also that tree also has some potential in it, I guess, but we'll see how it goes. I'll take a few different photos of this one so that I have more flexibility when I go into Lightroom. So I flipped it to vertical so that I can have a portrait as well, just to get some variety out of it. So this is zoomed in a lot, but I've just set up the composition for my second shot, which is this tree right here. I didn't change my spot at all. I'm just standing there from where I shot the first shot. I just wanted to take one photograph from this angle of this tree, and after taking this photograph I'll just move around a bit, search for different angles for the same shot. So the settings are almost the same. It's f8 with 50-second shutter, ISO 100, and I'll just photograph this tree right now. So I have no idea of how I am shooting videos as well as photos at the same time and making this video. It's my first time making these kinds of videos, so it'll get better, okay? I just don't know how this will turn out. I'll put it out anyways. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like down below, it actually makes a difference. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.